Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this easy at home 90s blowout. This has been the new it girl hair and I've actually been loving it a lot lately, so that's why I'm going to be showing it to you guys. And I also feel like I've perfected this and also the product that I've been using to achieve this. So if you guys want to figure out how I do this blowout, then keep on watching. Hey guys, okay, so we're here and we're queer. First step is to wash your hair. You have to start with freshly washed hair. I feel like the style lasts more when you wash your hair. And yeah, I get it. You don't have to tell me the situation right here. Hello Dubai. Hello Dubai. Leave my forehead alone, you guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna grab my Olaplex number 6 and number 7 and kind of mix them together. I don't really put a lot of this. Make sure you don't as well, especially if you have thinner hair just like I do, because what happens is that it weighs your hair down, which is not cute. I literally just put like 3 drops of this and you rub it in. I am telling you guys, and I am telling you right now, this hairstyle literally changed the trajectory of my life. So if that doesn't prove anything, then I don't know what is. Cool, so now that we have that in our hair, I'm just gonna brush it out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna section the upper part of my hair and basically try to do this section first. I'll clip this in. And then I'm gonna take the rest of the hair. Then I'm gonna work on this later. Okay, so now that you look like a cheap knockoff of pink, you're gonna grab your hair tool. The hair tool that I'm gonna be using is this one by Bondi Boost. I recently just got it and I swear this is the best. It dries your hair and styles it at the same time. Like damn, double homicide.
Yeah, double homicide.
Bitch. I'm gonna grab the fringe area. And then I'm gonna clip the rest away. Okay, so now I'm gonna demonstrate this to you guys without turning this on because this could get quite loud. So what I'm generally gonna be doing is I'm gonna put the brush under and try to twirl it towards my face. And then after that, I'm gonna put it upwards and twirl it away from my face. And when I feel like it's drying off already, I'm gonna do one last time with the motion going forward, and then I'm gonna set it. Okay, so I am using the super hot setting because I am insane. And I also think I'm pretty hot, so. Okay, so I'm not gonna release it right away. I'm just gonna let it sit there for like, what, 2-3 seconds, and then I'll pull it out. Then what I'll do next is I'll grab my roller and roll this one towards my face. Cool, we have our fringe completed, guys. I'm gonna go grab another section. Okay, so I'm basically just gonna do the same thing with this section. So I'm gonna speed it up, but I'm gonna set it differently. Okay, so what I'm gonna do differently with this section in particular is I'm gonna set it away from my face. I'm trying the best ways I can to like show you guys, but yeah. So the roller will be going back, just like that. See how this one's going that way, but this one's going outside. I'm also going to be setting this section similar to how I set the last one. Then I'm also going to be using these clips so that the rollers won't fall off. Cool, so now we have our first mohawk section, guys. Okay, so I'm going to section my hair back again, and that is going to be on my ear. I'm basically just going to be doing the same thing, so yeah. So how's school, by the way? Oh, and by the way, it's for these sections at the bottom, I'm going to be using a smaller roller. And clip it in. Oh, and quick side note, by the way, if you want to clip your rollers in, don't clip them here because they're just going to fall off. Clip them at the bottom because we like bottoms, right? Okay, so this is kind of tricky, but the next section that I'm going to do is this section right here above my ear. Ooh, see what I did there? Period. And generally what I'll do with this one is I'll blow dry this towards my face because I like that volume that it gives me when I do it like that. And I'm actually going to be using a smaller roller for this one just because it's a smaller section. Clip that one in place. Cool. Okay, my tits are about to pop off. Sorry about that. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split this into 2 sections again, one more time, right by my temples right here. Okay, so I've finished that section. This is currently what the sectioning looks like and the rollers as well. I know it's very messy, but actually no. This is a complete depiction of my mental health at the moment, so. I know this looks tiring and I know this could potentially cost you carpal tunnel, but you have to sacrifice something to look pretty, so. Okay, so this is what the rollers currently look like. I know I look crazy, but I think it kind of looks cute as well. It's giving very Wolf of Wall Street Margot Robbie situation, but yeah. This is what the sectioning looks like at the back. Like, honestly, don't go too ham on your sectionings. It doesn't really matter. Though what matters is size. Okay, I'm just kidding. The longer you have these rollers in, the more the curls will last. So I'm gonna see you guys in like what, 31 hour, whatever. Hi, I'm back and I grabbed some coffee. So this has been in my hair for more than an hour now, and we are gonna be removing it. Okay, so when I remove this by twisting it just like this. It just makes it look good and last more, I think. But yeah, that's how I do it. That's the first section. Yeah, the second one. Okay, so this is the final one, my favorite part, the fringe area. Okay, so now that we have all this volume, we're just gonna zhuzh it up a bit. Oh my gosh, look at that. Period, queen, I did that. Okay, so the last thing that I'm gonna be putting in my hair is this Honey extra deep moist hair oil because we like it deep, I guess. I'm just really putting in like the tiniest bit of this. Rub that in my hands and then just put that. Okay, so this is the finished look, you guys. What do you guys think? This usually lasts me around 8-9 hours. I've been rocking this a lot lately. I've been really loving this look. Like, I don't know, blowouts just make you pretty. Especially when they're easy to do. Hope you guys do enjoy this video and I'll be seeing you guys on my next one. Bye!